Swat ke jylla UCH Vijay Shankar mentakla singublay ulawan man sakhi lang kumbukong san haka program special health camp jongka Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyaan SNSPA bala pelong ha Ummulong CHC daka District Medical and Health Officer West Jandil District. La pensngau di nong tre ka kwat ka kya jongka district kaneka program kalong shibenta pan ai jingerap ningkong ikito hilong kami kibapun khon hado bandakai khulung lada day haki jaka nongkandong pat hasor kumju akani ka program kiladan hado kandai spark naip sauteli ki campaign pat menta la dep pelong hado new spark teli akaba dagi hajar kilayo jingmentoy nakani ka program hapo ka district akani ka sngi la don lang da umintri ka kwat ka kya jong ka sarkar jylla uma wailat miki shila MLA u Dr. Joram Beda IAS Commissioner and Secretary ka kwat ka kya ka sarkar ka kong Bibla MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Jandil Hills ka Dr. N. Karsano Director of Health Services MCH and FW nalor kiwikwede kadbay ka jingalang la panya da ka Dr. P. Shila District Medical and Health Officer. Nakaliang ulan ka jylla haba ay jingkran ula ay ka jingero yakani ka program bakhatan singi balapan ito da menteri rang badu jangkari Narendra Modi kabalong kerpang nakabenta ka kwat ka kya jangkilong kami kabalas dang ban ay jingtip bat jing sumar na do kakat nyaw terek unaylor hado ka arterek risaw arajap san lingba ka program shibun ki jingmentoy ki bala banyo klem ka jing siw lada day haka jingpang klong snam jingpang cancer jingpang khalai ne kinu ki jat jingpang baro ki rukam check up ki dawai bat ki lad jing sumar nakabenta ki kenthai on ai lingba ka program da ka ba ukentu ban shimkya ya ka kabu bala ai da ka sarkar ong Vijay Shankar shushu ula pentip hapo ka jylla Meghalaya ki don lai telu ki mat issue ki bah khamat ban pen bhai ka kwat ka kya kata ka jingpang cancer baar sa ka jingpang TB kabalai udrong bat ka jingpang HIV halor kini ki jat jingpang ulah kentu bakatanat ka kwat ka kya ka day ban tre shitam pan ajing sumar ki nongpang hagapor ka babyang da ka ba kentu ru kinu ki badani kini ki jat jingpang kin wan mi shakhamat khnang ban yo ya ka jing sumar ka babyang ulah kentu ya ka district West Jandil Hills bahkan shitam ban penlong ya ka nega program ka job namar hadin ka arterek risal on lum jingtip na boro ki district hapo ka jylla kinu na preng ki lai tili ki district ki ba pentre kambha ya ka nega Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyaan SNSPA da ka ba an ai kusnan ya ki haraj bhavan
Numbers of mother mortality rate lani ka jing yap yong ki man bay hay por wa kha khon to ko he tam to dukat hakam northeast henry po India bro ko bi hay wi liang ong ito i ki man bay to ko kerpang tam tang hay wi liang to ki man bay ko jor tam ki wo yap hay por kha khon hay jo ile ya ki infant mortality rate lani ka jing yap yong ki khon bo taganito uperkhat janaiga ngakar pado yaki manbei go emni ini ho kapor dalai go miulen hey porwarim ki manbei giong ito dang klan dang chai dang klan gi ye giu kha bon ngut ki khon tang hakani ga jukko kat nim to de go sok nei ba ibam yong i kat nang mi ka sini nang tlot nei tei dau hey ti por yo hey por men chua Kiwi em của em khát san ngột kỳ con Wat ngay là đi khát vi ngột chi payu
Ke program yang ke Sarkar India
introduced by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country,
wada pentipmit da u Prime Minister yang geriang i
this is also related to
kini le to kawayata
women community
wa ki kentai hapo yang ke imlang salam
in the entire nation.
yang ke India warok kawe
This program
kini ke program
being introduced
to kawada pentipmit
by the Prime Minister of this country
da u Prime Minister yang geriang i
this month 17th.
haka khatnya terik yang uniu benai
This program is going to continue
kini program da peteng ga
up to 2nd of October.
hado ke terik yang Oktober
15 days program.
khatsan si kini ke program
What is the benefit you are going to get out of it?
kaya kecing mentai uya pi na kini ke program
Which is the program being introduced by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country.
ke program ko ada pentipmit da u Prime Minister yang geriang i
You see,
UP
anybody comes and take medical checkup under this scheme.
kiwan kiwaya u check laneu examine lamba yang kini ke scheme
You have any sort of diseases, medical problems,
lada MP1 i check kejut
either heart problem,
Yêu mani kejut yang kelong senam
cancer problem,
Yêu mani kejut cancer
kidney problem,
Yêu mani kejut yang gisalak
any of the other issues, chronic issues.
Yêu man kiwan gi kejut kiwa hat im slam amut hap sumar pi day yang senam
Related to your health.
Iu yata wai chai ikia yang pi
Medicine is free.
Keni ke mission lan ke thong yang keni ke scheme ta wo ya pi day makana
Medical checkup is free.
ke check up le u ya pi day makana
And after that,
kamjo le
all type of treatments
wara gi jing sumar
is totally free.
ta iwa ya makana
All is free for you.
wara penyo makana nei bha yang pi
Age is not barred.
emu ang ina kawan gerta
Any female community
kiwan gi kan thai
can get benefit
ye piu ya kini jing mentai
out of this scheme.
lang ba yang gen gi scheme
So that I come here,
nei tai daw wana ini
to request you people,
u kerpat ye pi
you come and participate in the medical checkup.
wara u wan piu ye chim benta pi he wo ya pi ya ki check up ha kini ki camp
And get benefit out of this scheme.
we wo ya pi ye mentai na kini scheme
I hope
kermena
all of you
wa pi wara
avail the benefit
u chim pi ya kini ki lat jing sumar
being introduced by the government of India.
kiwa da pen wade wan ra chapi da sarkar India
And another few things
sa kat tu kat ni
I have to bring it to your notice,
ukwa awan ra chai chapi
particularly in Meghalaya.
kham tam ha po meghalaya
Cancer is the major issue.
ka kejut cancer to kawa hakmat
Cancer is the major issue.
kini to ka kejut cancer to kawa ya khmat
One